What's good, everybody? It's Vaughn, and this is where you get that knowledge that you don't get in college. If you want some free stocks, go ahead and scroll into the description, click the link next to WeBull, and complete the process. So I know that I've been talking a lot lately on my channel about business credit cards, but today I'm going to talk about a personal credit card, and it's one of the first credit cards that I got, and it's the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. And if you look at that, I've been a member since 2016. So the Chase Freedom Unlimited card is a very good card for beginners, and in this video I'm going to tell you some of the benefits of the card, and if you wait until the end I'll tell you exactly what you need to do in order for your best chances of getting approved for this card. Right now they're having a sign up offer, and the website says that it won't last long. The offer is $200 cash back after the first $500 spent, and you'll get 5% cash back on grocery stores for the first $12,000 that you spend within the first year, but it excludes Target and Walmart. So if you shop at Aldi's, Publix, Whole Foods, or any of those other grocery stores, you'll be able to maximize that additional 5% cash back within the first year, and you could earn up to an additional $600 cash back. This card also has a 0% introductory rate for the first 15 months.
Oh my God!
That's a whole year and 3 months that you won't have to pay interest on the balance that you're carrying. However, since this is a personal card, you have to be mindful of the 30% utilization rate because you don't want it to have a negative effect on your credit score. So even if you're going to use more than 30% of your balance, make sure that you pay it down to at least 30%, and it'll be a lot more beneficial if you kept it under 10%. So if you're going to spend more than 30% on this card, just make sure that you pay the balance down to at least 30% prior to the statement closing date. When I first got this card, it was only 1.5% cash back on everything, but now they've modified the card so that you get 3% cash back on dining and at drugstores. Also, if you make any travel purchases through the Chase portal, you'll get 5% cash back if you use this card. In addition to all of that, there's no annual fee. So you get all of these benefits for free because you don't have to pay an annual fee. Now I'm going to get into what exactly you need to do in order for you to get the best chances of getting approved. First off, you'd want to have an existing relationship with Chase, whether that be a checking or savings account or any type of loan product, whether that be an auto loan, a mortgage, a personal line of credit, or even a home equity line of credit. That existing relationship will increase your chances of getting approved for this card. In addition to that, you have to make sure that you're within the 524 rule. So with Chase, they have this rule where if you've applied for more than 5 cards within the last 24 months, your application will automatically get denied. And you can determine the amount of credit cards that you've applied for within the last 24 months by looking at the hard inquiries that appear on your credit report. You also want to have at least a 690 credit score, preferably with no collections reporting on your credit report. However, if you just have one collection on your credit report, but your credit score is above 690, you can still apply for this card, but your application may get denied. Once you get that denial, you want to call the reconsideration line and ask them to reconsider your application. They may tell you that it got denied because of the collection that's appearing on your report, and you just have to explain to them your situation because in most cases there's a story behind the collection that's appearing on your report. And finally, use the link in the description below so that it can guide you directly to the website. You could go ahead and complete the application and you'll be able to take advantage of the sign-up bonus. Once again, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like this content, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I make a post. Until next time.